Hello, dear students. Welcome to What, Why, How, the daily initiative by IAS Baba, where we take up a current affair or an editorial and we try to declutter it in less than 10 minutes. The topic that I have chosen has been doing the rounds on social media for a while right now, and it has been causing a certain sense of panic. And now, even the newspapers have started reporting it. The headlines go as that China is stepping up the monitoring of certain emerging respiratory diseases, and a certain viral outbreak called as your HMPV outbreak is now making the news. So a lot of people, this is 2025 and this is almost the same time that 5 years ago we've had a novel coronavirus breakout. So a lot of people are drawing parallelisms in this manner and causing panic. And this is the reason why, from our UPSC point of view, we need to actually declutter what exactly is this HMPV virus, what exactly are its problematic aspects, and is it as concerning as it is made out to be. Now, the first few things that we have to understand is HMPV actually stands for human metapneumovirus. Human metapneumovirus, and it's the abbreviated form is HMPV. HMPV is a respiratory virus that causes mild infections that are very similar to a common cold. Now, when I'm saying common cold, the certain symptoms that we have normally is your fever, cough, runny nose, wheezing, etc. These are the very similar symptoms that you have even for your HMPV virus. It is a very common respiratory infection that normally happens in the winter and early spring months of you see it in China, you have seen it in Mongolia in the past. Unlike your COVID-19, the HMPV was there and it was discovered way back in 2001. So it is not a recent disease as it is. Now, understand, in your HMPV, it affects both your upper respiratory tract and your lower respiratory tract. But in some cases, this infection can be quite fatal for young children, elderly, etc., who are already having certain underlying vulnerable conditions. Unlike your COVID-19, there is no vaccine for HMPV and there are no antiviral treatments also available. If in very severe cases, it might require certain hospitalization, oxygen therapy, or even corticosteroid treatments. Now, these are all the basic exam-related aspects that you need to know from a very factual point of view. Now, coming to a little bit more serious aspect of how or why is it so concerning at this point. Now, the reason it is concerning is because in the specific New Year time, in this last 2 weeks or so, certain images have been circulating where several hospitals in China happen to be completely flooded and overcrowded with people who are complaining of respiratory illness. At this point, China has organized something called as your National Disease Control and Prevention Administration, and China tries to do this primarily because in case any emerging diseases are coming in the society, they need to curb it at the first go itself. Now, China had done this at one level, but today, the reason why we are doing this video is WHO has now declared your HMPV as a public health emergency of international concern, or otherwise called as your PHEIC. In the last 15 years, there have been 6 cases of public health emergency of international concern, and this is the most recent case of your PHEIC. Now, the reason why WHO has been declaring it like this is because this is a respiratory disease and it can be quite easy to spread it from person to person through your cough droplets, through very enclosed, congested public spaces, etc. The spread of the diseases can happen in a very quick manner. This is the reason why in first part, the Chinese government had taken necessary measures and WHO has now declared it as a public health emergency so that people are wary of it, so that people start using your mask, start washing your hands frequently after being in public spaces. So, as of now, the disease is dangerous because of its spread capacity. It is extremely dangerous in children below the ages of 14, in elderly individuals, etc. But none of these cases are seen to be fatal. It turns out to be fatal when the HMPV virus occurs along with certain cases of bronchitis, pneumonia, etc. So as of now, there is no need to panic on unfounded social media posts, and the moderate symptoms of this disease also are something that can be treated within a 14-day period. But the more important thing is to be aware of this and understand what is the level of panic you need. So you have to maybe start getting back to your basic sanitation measures of washing your hands and using masks, etc. Because there are currently no travel restrictions because of HMPV, and there is always a chance of this virus spreading to other countries also. I hope this new topic has been clear to all of you and you've been actively able to declutter this. So stay safe, guys, and until we meet next time, take care and happy learning.